What's up everybody, welcome to this video. So we are going to analyze gold for the coming week, and tomorrow is Monday, so market is going to start tomorrow, and this is the monthly chart. Then we will go to weekly, then we will go to daily. So this is a proper analyze, we can say. So let's get started. So this is a monthly chart. You can see that this is the current month that is going on, right? So market open here, but look at the previous candle. It's a bearish candle. So we will see from where the weekly candle is started, right? So this candle started here, created a high and closed here, bearish, right? If you look left, here is a support area, right? That is broke by this candle. So it worked as a resistance. Let me draw it. So we rejected this resistance and we closed bearish, right? And this is the monthly candle, current monthly candle that is going on. So what is the storyline for the monthly time frame, or you can say direction? So it's bearish because we have a rejection of the resistance, close bearish. So ignore the current candle right now because we do not know if this candle will close bullish or bearish, right? So by looking at the previous candle, we can know that monthly is bearish. If you go to the weekly time frame, you can see that we have a breakup structure here at the weekly. So the monthly, this bearish candle come from a bearish storyline, right? So if someone asks you what is the storyline at the goal on the monthly time frame, your answer will be bearish. So this is all, and this is a previous resistance that broke, become support, and this support is broke now, become resistance, right? So current month candle is working as a resistance here, but we may even push higher, and this was a open and close, right? So we can even touch these and then reject and go below, right? So we do not know yet, but we have an idea that okay, if this candle will continue go bearish, this is a good resistance area that market may work, reject this level and go down, right? Because monthly is bearish storyline, right? So this is all for the monthly time frame. We know gold is bearish. So let's go to the weekly time frame. So at the weekly time frame, we can see that this is the last week candle, right? Closed here, and the previous candle was bearish candle, right? So this candle close and this candle open, right? Black and green create a support. That is a fresh support right here, right? But before drawing this, I want to tell you that if monthly is bearish, right? If monthly is bearish, what is the obstacle at the weekly? Because if monthly is bearish, weekly can create a correction to go to the upside, right? So weekly can create a correction to the upside. So for that reason, we are looking for support that reject and make a correction to the upside. Because monthly is bearish, so we have a possible scenario that weekly can go and make a correction, right? Or you can say that weekly is also bearish. Okay, this is a fresh level. This didn't come from a bullish storyline yet, right? So weekly is bearish because we have a previous resistance that broke and then broke again, and it become a fresh resistance, and this candle has rejected this resistance right here. And if you go to the daily time frame, you can see a breakup structure, right? And that confirms our bearish storyline, right? So now if weekly is bearish, right? If weekly is bearish, right? But this week candle close bullish, right? So we have a possible scenario that market will respect this support, right? And can go high, right? I mean, we have fresh resistance right here. This was a support, broke, now become resistance. So at the weekly time frame, we can visit this area, reject and go down, right? So right now, by looking at the weekly time frame, we know that weekly is bearish, right? And we have a fresh support area right here. Maybe the next week candle touch this, reject this and close higher. So we never know, but we will keep in mind this support, and when the next week candle close, then we will see how this area respond, right? So at the weekly time frame, gold is still bearish, right? So we will go to the daily time frame and see what is the storyline at the daily time frame. So this is the daily time frame, and here we are. You can see that market is creating a head and shoulder right here, right? This is the left shoulder, this is the peak, and this was the last week we created a right shoulder right here. So market is trying to go higher, but we will look at the SNR levels, and you can see that market has rejected this fresh open and close level, closed higher. And if you go to the 4-hour time frame, we have a break of structure, right? So this break of structure comes from our daily storyline, which is bullish, because we have a break of structure at the 4-hour time frame. So that confirms that we have a bullish storyline at the daily time frame from the support area, right? So we know by the SNR confirmation, and just see this, we have a left shoulder, a peak, created a right shoulder going to the upside. So on the daily time frame, market direction is bullish, storyline is bullish, because we have 4-hour breakout. Simple, right? So we know that weekly is bearish, so daily can be an obstacle for the weekly. That means daily can make a correction before going lower, because weekly is bearish, right? So weekly cannot go bearish forever, right? So market make correction. So in the daily time frame, we can see a correction that is happening right now, right? So right now, if you look at the daily, we have fresh support area right here. If we have a bullish storyline, we want to buy, right? Simple. So we will look for support area from where we can buy, right? So this is a daily fresh support area, right? Also, this open and close, which was a resistance, market broke this by this green candle. So right now, this open and close can reject as a support, right? But we need to see a lot of things before consider to trade this level, right? Because this is a traditional one and this is the lowest one, right? So market can even come to this area, right? But we keep in mind this level and we will see what can be done, right? So let's go to weekly for something. So yeah, so let's mark this. Let's mark this weekly support. Also, you can say that this was a open and close, this broke, now it's become support again, right? But you can say that this becomes stronger if we engulf the previous candle, right? This was the black candle. If green candle close above the previous candle high, this open and close as a support becomes stronger. But this candle close within the previous candle high, right? So this area is not a good probable area, right? But we will keep in mind because sometimes market even respect that and go to the upside. So we need to find some confluence at the daily and 4-hour before consider to trade around this zone, right? Or at this zone, right? But we know we have this 2 weekly area that market can next week, market can reject it and go to the upside. Okay, so let me delete all these and let's go to the daily, and we can see here that we have 2 levels right here, right? So let's mark this one right for now and let's see. Okay, so you can see here that at the daily time frame below this weekly level, right, we have this right here. So this is the weekly traditional SNR, right? And just below the level we have a refinement of the daily support, right? So I showed you that this was an additional one after this, right? This traditional SNR we here, right? So I'm considering this one right now because we have a traditional weekly SNR, and just below this we have this one. Okay, if we do not have this weekly one, I will not even consider this one. I will consider this one. Okay, I will keep in mind for sure, but I will not consider this one as high probability. But just because we have a weekly level here, a new week will start here, right? And just below the weekly level we have this daily or daily fresh support. That is why I'm considering this. Okay, so let's go to 4 hour and let's see if we can refine further. Okay, so at the 4 hour also we have this as a left shoulder support area, which broke become resistance, which broke becomes support. So this is already a tested area, but we can use as a refinement of 4 hour support because we have a fresh weekly level. Also this one is a fresh support level at the daily, which is also a 4 hour tested level, which is valid. Okay, and so for that reason we will go to the 1 hour time frame and we will see if we can find anything. Okay, so at the 1 hour we can see that just below this level we have this one. Okay, this level, this resistance break becomes support, already tested, but we have this level only, right? Also this was also a weak 1 hour level, like support area, right? And this also tested. Okay, so we have this one and this one, and we do not have much difference. Okay, it's just like 9 pip or something. If we have a fresh level, let's say fresh level right here, I will consider, but we do not have any fresh level. So I don't want to miss a trade just because a 1 hour already tested level 9 pip distance. That doesn't make sense to me. Okay, this is a 1 hour level, this is also a 4 hour level, and this is a daily fresh zone that's never really tested, right? Also this zone is below the weekly fresh level, right? So that is what. Okay, so that is why we do not want to over refine things, because you need to just understand that that this is a fresh level and this is also a fresh level, daily and weekly. Also we can find confluence at the 4 hour and 1 hour as a support, right? So this is a valid zone. Okay, so let's go to the daily time frame and see. So daily is bullish right now. So if you see on the left side, there is no fresh resistance. Okay, market can sell from. So we do not have any resistance right here. Market is going bullish. Okay, at the above we have this support become resistance now. So market can go to this area. Okay, then we will see. And at the weekly, I already showed that we have this weekly support that become resistance, so market can come to here. At the weekly, market is already bearish, right? But this week candle close bullish. We have a fresh support, and daily we are bullish. Okay, so just below the support we have a daily support here, right? So market can just continue, create a low, and next week we can see a bullish candle right here. Okay, daily is bullish. There is no resistance at the daily that market can reject from, right? So we do not mind. So we have a bullish scenario for the coming week. So let's see. And if by Tuesday, Wednesday or Thursday we create any resistance, new candle resistance, then we may sell from that. Okay, also let's say this support and this support fail. Okay, and market come to this area. Okay, then what will happen? So this is a fresh level, right? And this is below the weekly fresh level right here. So if market come to this area, let me remove this one for now. If market come to this area, this is also a 4 hour resistance, right? That's broke and it work as a support, and this is a fresh support market didn't really test at the 4 hour, right? Also you can go to the 1 hour and you can see if we can find anything. Nothing right here. So it's a little bit confusing now. You can switch to line chart and you can find if there is any level. Okay, so this is a level. So yeah, so you can, okay, so this is a 1 hour level. So you can look for here, look from here, and this 1 hour level is also aligning with the 4 hour fresh support right here. Okay, so market may just come here and then reject this level and go high. Okay, in case this fail. Okay, so if you are buying here, let's say, so you give 35 pips stop loss. Okay, so this is a good area to buy from. And the second area, which is here or here, okay, this one, the lowest one, is good, and this is also a good area with 100 pip take profit. So these are some, because we have a, just remember that we have a breakup structure. This was a left shoulder, right? So this trade, this upper one right here, can just come here and create a right shoulder and go to the upside, continue a daily bullish storyline, right? So these are some trading idea for buy, and we do not have any like sell idea because we do not have any daily resistance. And currently, if you see, we are after the breakup structure, market rejected the 4 hour resistance here, right? And then we can create a pullback just before going to the upside. So that is what. Thank you for watching the video, and if you have any questions, just write your question below, and until the next time, see you soon.